Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Good afternoon, students. Thank you for your participation during the class. In this video, I'm going to summarize the lesson number 3.2, how stylish were the ancient Egyptians. So in this lesson, we have learned about cloth, accessories, and materials from the past, like ancient times, the people they were using, especially the ancient Egyptians. So in the beginning of this lesson, I asked you this question that what do you know about the ancient Egyptians? Right, as many of you were having a good idea about the ancient Egyptians, that those who have made the pyramids, still the existing wonder in the world. So here we have some keywords like in the history you can see emperor, hieroglyph, and pharaoh and status. So look at the words in the history keywords box and use them to complete the sentence here. A, B, C, and D. So here I'm going to show you. A is emperor, B is pharaoh, C is hieroglyph, and D is status. Right, as you can see here, an emperor was a ruler of China, and a pharaoh was a ruler in ancient Egypt, and C is a hieroglyph that you can see in picture symbol, which is used to represent a word or part of a word in ancient Egyptian writing system. Like you guys have already idea about in this hieroglyph in your previous classes as the Egyptian ABC, the alphabets were called hieroglyphs. Right? So the last is your status, is your social position in relation to other people. Then number two, you can see what clothes did the ancient Egyptians wear and what else did they wear. Read the text to find out. Here you can see the first paragraph is about the clothing and footwear. Second, about the jewelry that they guys were using. So now let us find the answers of the other questions which we have on the next page. Question number two of us, you can see here that what clothes did the ancient Egyptians wear? What else did they wear? So then we read the paragraphs and we came to know about the answers. You can see here women wore long straight dresses, men wore skirts with belt, right? And the pharaoh and people of his status wore sandals with leather straps, right? Both men and women wore makeup and jewelry and wigs. All right, this is the answer of question number three. Sorry, two. Let us move to the question number three here. You can see the first one is also mentioned. Find the following in the text. One type of footwear is sandal. Number two, two items of clothing that were dresses and skirts. C, four items of jewelry, the bracelet, rings, earrings, and necklaces. Then question number four, we are going to see the true and false from A to H. I'm going to show you here that A is true, B is false, C is true, D is false, E is true, and F is false, G is true, and H is false. All right, let's move to the question number 6. Right, this is what we have discussed during class, that what similarities are between ancient Egyptians and the people today. So I got your answers. Can you tell what the attitude of the writer is in this text? In other words, can we say what the writer's opinion is, or does the text simply give the facts? So we have discussed this thing. Question number 6, we were listening an audio track. Let me show you the answer, that what is the talk about. How does it link to the next about ancient Egypt? So you can see here clothing of ancient China. Both discuss clothing material, status, color, and jewelry. We have another question, the last question of this lesson, question number 7. You see the questions here from A to E. I'm going to show you the answers. A is clothing, B is hem, C is the people of higher status, D is yellow, and E is belt buckle. And so this is the answer of question number 7. And this is how we have finished this lesson number 3.2. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you in the next class. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.